Hello, welcome to my channel, Song of Innocent. So, let's say this a talk to talk episode. When you say talk to talk episode, we will see that so before I begin, let's say we use a common word to to communicate. So to communicate. So in any situation, in any occasion, people in any business, people always say, what language are you so good? Yeah. What language are you so good? So in any say in any saying, so most people use a English. When you say English, so broken. So English word is so broken that people always use the English word to communicate. Broken in a meaning piece. Every piece is need to be placed. And you say to make a sentence, create a pick a piece, then create a sentence. Pick a piece, then create a sentence. Then we always say that people always pick a English word to create a sentence just to communicate. So this saying, so this word that when you say people, he always use a common word. He always use a common saying. It to just to be clear, it not telling you that he always use, but he always want to communicate. That is the meaning of the broken English grammar. He always want to communicate. He want to communicate. A person always use a common words or common saying. He just want to communicate. You, he, she, or us. So in a situation, people say, did you understand my saying? When you say, did you understand my saying, you already communicate. So to respond, yes, I understand. So that is what we say common saying or the common words. People use this word to communicate for us, for you, for he or she to communicate. So I'm always use the word broken English grammar for us to understand. In other term, for us to communicate for the sake of communication, for the sake of to understand. In any sentence, so you need to, I need to, you need to, I need to, Make a word so simple. That's all. Make a word so simple for all listener, for all viewers can easily understand your saying. Simple words, people will know what you say, people will understand your say. So I will always use a broken English grammar. So for easily to communicate, for you and I can communicate. So this is it. So only this simple words. So from the beginning, from the starting to the end, I will always use a broken English grammar for easily to communicate. A simple word, a simple English grammar. Yeah. Bye-bye.